Impressive 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath home on resort-like setting. Open floor plan, high ceilings and tons of natural sunlight throughout. Incredible water views from interior of home. First floor owner's suite with spa-like master bath and 2 spacious walk-in closets. Chef's kitchen features gas cooktop, double ovens, 2 sinks, wine refrigerator, and island with breakfast bar. The kitchen is completely open to the great room and the sunroom, both with fireplaces and both with walls of windows to enjoy the water views. Formal dining room. Private office with French doors. Second floor features 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. An additional 2,000 sq ft in the finished, walkout lower level with full kitchen and bar, billiards area, media room, custom wine tasting room, and full bath. Extensive outdoor living space ideal for entertaining. Spacious deck with access from both the sunroom and the owner's suite. Patio with custom stone fireplace and built-in grill. 3-car garage. All of this is just a few minutes to all of the conveniences of Montrose shopping and restaurant district and easy highway access. Convenient to both downtown Cleveland and Akron. A must-see.